How to talk about daily habits in English. Hello everyone! Welcome back to our English learning show. I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hi friends, I'm excited too. Today we're talking about something that affects every single part of your life, daily habits.
That's right. Habits are the small things we do every day without thinking, like brushing your teeth, having breakfast, or checking your phone.
And the interesting thing is, your habits shape the kind of person you become. Good habits help you grow. Bad habits can hold you back.
Let me ask you something. What's the first thing you do when you open your eyes in the morning?
Honestly, I used to grab my phone immediately, checking messages, social media, everything.
Same here, but it made me stressed before my day even started. Too much information too early.
Exactly. So I changed my habit. Now I sit up slowly, take 3 deep breaths, and say something positive out loud.
Like what?
Something simple, like, today is going to be great, or I'm ready for this day.
That's beautiful, and it's perfect English practice too. You're speaking English first thing in the morning. Morning English expressions. Let's teach our listeners some useful morning phrases.
Sure. First one, I wake up at, for example, I wake up at 7.
Next, I get out of bed. It simply means you stand up from your bed.
Then, I stretch my body. Stretching helps you wake up and feel ready for the day.
And an important one, I drink a glass of water. Your body really needs water after sleeping.
Both. Repeat after us. I wake up early. I get out of bed. I stretch my body. I drink water in the morning.
Breakfast habits. Let's talk about breakfast. It's the first meal of the day, but many people skip it.
I used to skip breakfast too. I thought I'd save time, but it only made me tired.
Your body needs energy in the morning. Even a small breakfast helps.
What do you usually eat?
Toast with butter and some fruit, sometimes eggs.
Delicious. I usually have cereal with milk or oatmeal.
Let's review some breakfast vocabulary. Toast, bread cooked until brown and crispy. Cereal, small pieces of grain eaten with milk. Oatmeal, soft cooked oats. Scrambled eggs, mixed eggs cooked in a pan. Juice, like orange juice or apple juice.
Example sentences, I eat toast and drink orange juice for breakfast. I usually have cereal with milk in the morning.
Getting ready.
Right. After breakfast, I brush my teeth.
Very important. Twice a day, morning and night.
Then I take a shower, usually warm, but sometimes cold at the end for energy.
Wow, brave. I prefer warm showers only. Oh, here's a question. Do you make your bed in the morning?
I do. Every single morning. It makes me feel organized.
I do it sometimes. I'm working on being more consistent.
There's a famous saying, if you want to change the world, start by making your bed.
Small habits create big energy for the day. Commute habits.
Right. I walk to the bus stop. It takes about 10 minutes and I listen to English podcasts.
That's multitasking, doing 2 things at the same time.
And you?
I listen to English music on the bus. It helps with pronunciation and rhythm. Tip for everyone. Find one boring moment, walking, waiting in line, washing dishes, and add English to it.
Yes. Talk to yourself. I'm making coffee. I'm opening the door. I'm walking outside. Narrate your life. It helps your English improve fast.
Afternoon habits. Many people feel tired after lunch, the afternoon slump.
Yes, I feel sleepy around 2 or 3.
You can take a short walk, drink water, stretch, or take a quick nap.
Useful phrases. I take a break. I go for a walk. I need to recharge.
Snacks matter too. Healthy snacks like fruit or nuts give real energy. Chips and candy give fake energy. They disappear fast. Story time. Maria's habit change.
My friend Maria from Mexico. She wanted to learn English but said she had no time.
Many people feel like that.
Every day at lunch, she scrolled social media for 20 minutes.
Very common.
She replaced that habit with watching English videos. After 3 months, her English improved so much.
That's the power of daily habits. Small actions, big results. Evening habits. Evening is my favorite time. Work is done, things are calm.
Same here. I take off my shoes, put on comfortable clothes, and cook dinner.
Cooking relaxes me. It's like meditation. Cooking vocabulary. Chop. Cut into small pieces. Boil. Heat water until it bubbles. Fry. Cook in hot oil.
After dinner, I watch TV in English with English subtitles.
Great practice.
You?
I walk for 20 minutes to help my mind relax. Night routines.
I try to sleep around 10:30, but sometimes I use my phone too much.
Blue light makes it hard to sleep.
Now I follow a new rule. No phone for 30 minutes before bed. I read a book instead.
Bedtime vocabulary. Wind down. Relax slowly. Hit the hay. Go to bed. Call it a night. Stop and go to sleep. The secret of good habits? Consistency. Consistency means doing something repeatedly, every day.
Yes, one big day of studying doesn't help much, but 20 minutes every day, that changes everything.
Habits are like exercise. You can't go once and expect muscles.
Start small. Be consistent.
Story. Tom the shy student.
Tom was very shy and afraid to speak English.
We told him, say one sentence every night.
Just one.
After 2 weeks, one sentence became 3.
After 1 month, he spoke for 5 minutes.
6 months later, he made a video in English.
A tiny habit built a huge result.
Bad habits and how to replace them.
Everyone has bad habits.
True, I stay up too late watching videos.
Miko?
The solution? First, notice the habit. That's self-awareness.
Then replace it with something better. For example, replace junk food, fruit. Replace scrolling, reading.
Useful patterns. I'm trying to stop. I'm working on. I want to be better at. Motivation versus discipline. Motivation comes and goes.
Discipline stays.
Don't wait to feel like doing something. Do it because it's who you are. Identity shapes your habits.
Identity means how you see yourself.
If you see yourself as a healthy person, you act healthy.
If you see yourself as an English learner, you learn English.
Let's practice positive identity sentences. I am a person who takes care of my health. I am someone who never gives up. I am a learner who improves every day. I am capable of great things. Tracking your habits.
I use a notebook to check off my habits every night.
That creates a streak. Days in a row you succeed.
And you don't want to break your streak.
Even 5 minutes of English counts. Final advice.
Start small. Don't try to change everything at once.
Choose one morning habit and one night habit for 30 days.
For English learners, listen to English 10 minutes a day.
And speak to yourself in English anytime.
Your brain needs practice making sentences.
Can we end with a quote?
Of course. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great.
Beautiful.